At first, take a breadboard. If you don't know anything about breadboard, click on the I button on the top. Then connect the LEDs. Here the big pin is the anode and the smaller pin is the cathode. Connect the cathode pin of the Arduino of the LED to the power rail and the cathode to any pin of the board. Do same as all 10 LEDs. I am fast forwarding the video, so you can skip this. Then take the Arduino Uno and connect the ground pin of Arduino to the power rail, that pin which is the connected with all cathodes to the ground pin of Arduino. Then connect all the anode pins of LEDs to the respective pins of Arduino 13 to digital pin number 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. These 10 pins. You can see that how the connections are, how the circuit is building. Here our circuit is finally completed. Then you can see that I have connected all the LEDs with the digital pins to 13 to 4. Now go to your PC or Arduino IDE.